Good morning. Welcome to Vlogtober day 11. It's the 11th today. It's Friday. Was supposed to podcast this morning. Have not done so. So that's on the list for tomorrow. I just couldn't get out of bed. I was so tired. So I've been kind to myself this morning. I was like, no pressure. I'm just going to get dressed, get ready. It's 9:05, so I've got a little while till I start work. I've also trying to get yesterday's vlog uploaded. I know I'm just watching my lovely friend Belinda, Bell and Stitch. I know she was saying she was having trouble with uploading last night. I couldn't get mine to upload. There was just not enough bandwidth, I don't think, on YouTube. Maybe too many people are doing Vlogtober. I couldn't get it to upload at all. So it's currently doing that. Hopefully, it will be up by, within an hour. It is quite a large one because it's 30 minutes long, so it's a bit longer than usual, but that's 3 days smushed into one, so I figured 3 lots of 10. It's not 3 lots of 10, it's 2 lots of about 30 seconds, and the rest of it's yesterday. So today is Friday. I'm hoping to go to my daughter's tonight to see Ira, and apparently she has a cold too, so I'm sure we can cross-pollinate our colds and make us both really ill. I'm working, so it's normal work day. I want to do some knitting. I need to work out what am I supposed to be knitting today? Did I even write that down? What's today? Friday. That's that one. It's my sorrel today. I actually might do that today. I might do my sorrel today. Tomorrow is socks and Sunday's dust of snow, if I'm well enough to actually knit that. I've also picked up a really old cozy memory blanket, which I'll show you in the podcast. I'm going to save that for the podcast because if you watch it all in this, it's going to be a bit boring, isn't it, when you get to the podcast? But yeah, I might go and actually ferret out my sorrel, so it's sitting on my desk. What's today? Well, today was supposed to be make the Christmas cake, which obviously I can't do because I didn't buy the ingredients. So what other have I got in my baking? Let's have a look. Where's my baking one? Cook. Cinnamon bickies, Nutella spooky treat. Oh, I should have done that. My daughter would have loved that Christmas cake. I'm not going to do those because cinnamon cookies requires me to use my hands, and I don't think that's very fair when I've got a cold. The Nutella spooky treat, I haven't got any Nutella, so Charlie, if you're watching this, we bought a giant Nutella for some pancakes for Charlie's birthday. She managed to drop the Nutella jar, so she was going to replace it. Still no Nutella, so I need to get that on the shopping order. And yeah, the Christmas cake. So I might try and leave the bickies for Saturday or Sunday. So what have I got on Saturday and Sunday? Let's have a quick look on there. Saturday's the trip out. It's the garden centre, and Sunday I'm not telling you because that's quite a special one. Okay. Is there anything I could make today that doesn't involve my hands? I'll have a think about that one. I think it might just have to be a day in the life, to be honest. You've seen me put my makeup on. I did a time lapse of that. Yeah, and then I've got to spend some time planning out next week's because next week is a big blank. So it's completely blank, but this is how it kind of looks when I've got it filled in. Actually, you can see that. That's the Haunted Library sticker from the Giddy Yarns Halloween Countdown. Talking of which, shall we do that now? Why not? Let's have a quick look and see what the next little package is in here. Let's open that one. That's exciting. It's another little sticker in a black package one. Ooh, cute. Oh, I really like that. It's kind of appropriate for today. Right, so if you've not opened your green lampkin yet, look away. Okay. I mean, bit of a theme. That's so cute. Really like that. Come on, camera, focus. That's it, focus on that, not on me. That's green lambkin yarn. Oh, I really like that. Right, you can look back now. I need to put my stickers in. Oh, that one hasn't come off so well. Tore a little bit on the side. Okay, I'm going to cut that one out because it does not want to come out. What was I going to say? I'm going to put these in my planner. As you can hear, I'm still very snotty, which I'm not enjoying. I felt really unwell last night. I was like, oh no, I've overdone it with work. And we had a late finish last night because we had a late move, which did not go to plan, but it's sorted now, thankfully. But, you know, when you've got someone that's moving into a house and it's kind of an emergency move, then you can't go, oh no, I'm too sick to deal with it. You know, you have to just get on with it. It's not fair otherwise. Right, I'm going to do my planning now and my timetables and stuff. So I might just time-lapse that for you. Well, not time-lapse it. I think I'll record that in real time, but speed up the footage with some music, and then I'm going to get my sorrel out.